Hi there, I'm Chef Samia. Welcome to my channel Star Food. Today we are making soft and fluffy glazed donuts, perfect for any time of the year. So let's get started. In a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of yeast and half tablespoon of sugar. Then mix it, then keep it aside for 5 minutes. In a bowl, crack 1 room temperature egg, add melted butter, half teaspoon of vanilla essence and half teaspoon of salt. Pour in half cup of milk and 1 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Give a whisk to all these ingredients. Add the rested yeast mixture and whisk everything together. Remember, all ingredients should be at room temperature for the best results. Gradually add all-purpose flour and use a spatula to combine it with the liquid mixture. Next, transfer the dough on a kneading table and knead for 12 minutes. By the way, usually the dough has to be sticky, but if the dough is too sticky, add up to 2 tablespoons of extra flour. You know your dough is ready when you press it and it bounces back. Put your dough into a bowl, cover the dough with a plastic wrap and let it rise until doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, divide it in half, dust your work surface and rolling pin with flour to prevent sticking. Roll your donut dough to about ½ inch thick. This thickness allows for the donuts to rise properly while frying, resulting in soft and fluffy texture. Using the donut cutter, cut the donuts out. Using this dough, you will be able to make at least 8 to 9 donuts. Place them on a tray, cover and let them proof until it doubles in size. So that's how all of them will look after they are doubled in size. Heat the dip oil about 175 Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, drop a small drop of dough into the oil. It should rise with tiny bubbles around it. Carefully place the donuts in the hot oil and flip them once they turn golden brown. Fry until both sides are golden and then remove them. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of icing sugar with melted butter and warm milk. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and whisk until smooth. Dip each donut in the glaze and let them rest on a rack to remove any excess. And there you have it, yummy, soft and fluffy glazed donuts, ready to be enjoyed. Impress your family and friends with this delightful treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to my channel for more recipes. Bye for now and I hope to see you on my next video.